Hey, my fellow tax professional, are you still typing out every single email to your client? Well, stop right now because I have a quick AI tip that's going to help you. Open up ChatGPT and type, write a professional short email to my client reminding them that the Schedule C is due and they need to turn their documents into me as soon as possible. Now you're done. Go ahead and submit it. Then once you get back that email, you go ahead and edit it and send it over to your clients, all the clients that need to send you the documents. As easy as that. If you want this prompt and 20 more for free, go ahead and click yes in the comment section. I will send it right over to you. And by the way, this prompt is actually down there in the comment section waiting for you to copy and paste it right now. So go ahead down to the comment section and grab your free 20 ChatGPT prompts that are made just for you. Let me give you a quick breakdown of how you can use Claude and ChatGPT in your tax business. So ChatGPT is basically for emails, checklists, and things of that nature, things that are quick and shorter. Claude is great when you're trying to analyze things like IRS documents, or if you're trying to prepare standard operating procedures. You can use both of them, and I use both of them to help me, but I use each of them differently. So in other words, if you want to write a quick LinkedIn post, or if you want to write a client email, then you want to use ChatGPT. But if you're trying to analyze an IRS document, or if you're trying to summarize some steps for your clients or for your employees, then you want to use Claude. Again, each one is great to use, but you use each one of them differently to save you time. If you want to grab a couple of prompts that are going to help you in ChatGPT, go ahead and put yes in the comment section below. I will send those right over to you. So I've been able to basically double my content using AI. Every single week I've been sending my clients and all of my prospective clients, tax clients, an email every week. But I don't really have that much time to always post every week or a couple of times a week or whatever. So what I did, I was able to take all of my emails over the year and transition those into actual posts that can be posted on social media. And I'm able to take that information and post twice a week instead of posting once a week. So that helps me to double my output, and I'm able to have my content go out twice a week instead of once a week. So AI is helping me. What did I use to do that, to generate those social media posts? That prompt, you can get it down in the comment section, and I give you 20 free prompts in this little ChatGPT packet. So go ahead and comment yes in the comment section, and I'll send it right over to you. If your tax client has gotten a notice from the IRS and you want to make it simple for them to understand exactly what it means, you can go ahead and take that notice, put it in ChatGPT, upload it, and say, simplify this IRS notice for my tax client, and put it in plain English. It'll only take ChatGPT maybe 2 to 3 minutes to come back with the summary. You take that summary, make sure it sounds like you, and go ahead and send it over to your tax client. They will be happy that you explained it to them in layman's terms and that you understood what they needed to do for the IRS, and it saves you time on trying to type it all out. Want 20 prompts just for you that you can put into ChatGPT and use anytime for your tax business? Go ahead and put yes down in the comment section, and I will send it right over to you. Did you know that Canva has a new AI function in it. If not, you can go over Canva and you can even use the free version. And you can go to the AI area and you will type in, make me a marketing promo slide for my Instagram or my Facebook, or even for your YouTube section or your community section, and where you post everything. So it will make you a AI generated marketing post, and you can take that, put in what you want it to say, and then it'll generate the post for you. Once you get it, you can edit it to make it look exactly how you want it to look if it's not up to your standards, and then you can post it. 10 minutes max. It's going to save you time and energy. Okay, I'm in Canva right now, and you see this is the free version because it tells me to try Canva Pro for 14 days. I have a few versions, but this is my free version. So all you have to do is scoot right over, go to the AI section right there, and you want to say either design for me or create an image. I usually say design for me. And then you want to know what Canva wants to know what you're designing. So you're going to click on social media, and then you can do any one of them. I would do a Instagram post, and then you're going to say, make a promo post for my tax clients that talks about the... Okay, tax professionals, here's your AI tip for today. So what you're going to do is go into ChatGPT and type this prompt. Please give me a tax checklist for my small business tax clients. Make sure that it is 200 words or less, and then you're going to get that, send it off to your tax clients, and you look like you're prepared and that you are on top of things, and your tax clients will be very grateful for you. If you want this ChatGPT tax prompt, go ahead and get it out the comment section. And if you want 20 more, comment yes, and I'll send it right over to you. Do you have notes and sticky notes and all type of documents, emails, and everything about your policies and procedures, but they're all over the place? Well, you can use Notion AI to put them all together in one location. With Notion AI, you'll be able to put them together as a standard operating procedures manual, and then you can use that to train your employees and or for you to just look back on all of your information and make sure you know what you need to do step by step every time you do a process. Want 20 AI prompts for tax time that are just for you? Go ahead and write yes in the comment section, and I'll send them right over to you. Here's how you can be the most high-tech tax pro in the room without being a tax tech genius. What you're going to do is use Perplexity AI, and you're going to go to it and ask it to explain in plain English for your tax clients the new mileage rate tax law. Once you get that information back, you're going to tweak it to sound like you, and you can send it out to all of your small business tax clients. Then you look like the tax guru and the person to go to rather than just their tax prep person. Want 20 more prompts just like this? Type prompts in the comment section and I'll send it right on over to you. So let me tell you how I used AI to save myself $700. So I took my income, I put it into ChatGPT, and I asked it how much should I be paying in taxes. Then I took that same information and put it into my tracker, my calculator rather, my estimated calculator, and it gave me the amount that I'm supposed to be paying in taxes for this quarter. The information that I put into ChatGPT gave me the amount of taxes that I should be paying for the year. I hurried up and looked at my paycheck stub and saw that's not how much taxes that have been taken out thus far. It's already almost the end of the year, and I need to make sure enough taxes are taken out. So what did I do? I went ahead and I changed my W-4, and I have a whole video about that on my YouTube channel, The Financial Spotlight. You can go ahead and watch that, and it's going to help you change your W-4 because you want to make sure that you're having the right amount of money coming out of your paycheck every single time you get paid. And once you do that, you're going to be golden. So you're going to use ChatGPT. You're going to use my estimated tax calculator that is free. And you're going to also watch my W-4 video that is free on my YouTube channel. And all of these tools, all three of them, are going to help you to make sure that you are paying the right amount in taxes and that you do not owe at tax time. Tax season brings a time when people are asking questions after question after question. And what you can do is use ChatGPT to help you answer a lot of the simplest questions. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your ChatGPT and you're going to type in, write an answer to a question about why I haven't received my tax refund yet. And then you're going to let ChatGPT give you the answer. And you can copy this and save it as a template so that you can use it and send it to your clients every time they ask this question. All right, tax professionals, to make sure that you are adding value to your clients, what you can do is get their profit and loss statement, upload it into ChatGPT, and write a prompt that says, take this income statement, review it, and give me 3 different ways that they can increase their income and increase profitability. Once you get that information back from ChatGPT, review it with your client, and you will be adding value to them, and you will be providing a great service that is going to help them move forward in their business. Want more prompts just like this just for you? Go ahead and drop prompt in the comments and I'll send it right over to you. Let AI catch your tax return errors. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your tax return that you've done for your client. You're going to upload it to either Claude AI or ChatGPT, and then you're going to put in a prompt that says, review this tax return and look for any errors or any missed deductions for a small business tax client. It's going to look through the return and let you know if there's anything that you missed or if there's any errors. Then you're going to go ahead and review it, and then you can submit. So that way you make sure that you're not making any errors and that you are turning in a tax return that is going to benefit your tax client. Want 20 more prompts just like this one to help you in your tax business? Go ahead and put tax in the comment section and I'll send it right over to you. Subscribe to the Financial Spotlight for more tips and tricks like these.